Hey everyone, today we will explore the Redkey P9 in detail, an inexpensive, upright, cordless vacuum cleaner that has been attracting a lot of attention. Thanks to these characteristics, it is distinctive among products at the same price point. In this review, we will evaluate its performance in practical situations. If you found this review useful, remember to hit the like button and subscribe. Let's kick things off. Let's test the design and functionality of the Redkey P9 in more detail. It contains a 350-watt motor that can produce suction power of up to 30,000 pascals. This is remarkable for a vacuum cleaner at this price point. As the battery can be removed, it can be charged separately by connecting the charger directly to it, which adds convenience. The vacuum cleaner is operated by a trigger button that doesn't need to be pressed continuously, allowing for easy use over longer periods. Close by, there is a button for toggling among the three operating modes: Eco, Medium, and Maximum. It is easy to empty the 600 milliliter dust collector. Just press a button at the bottom, and the contents will fall out with no effort. A handy feature is that the dust container can be completely removed for thorough cleaning or washing. Thanks to its multi-stage filtration, this system captures even fine dust particles, making it ideal for those with allergies. The main floor nozzle features a swivel joint for easy maneuverability, an LED light to brighten the cleaning area, and a universal roller with short bristle inserts. The design of this roller is effective on both hard floors and carpets, which makes it adaptable for different surfaces. The roller can be detached for cleaning without requiring any special tools. The extra accessories, such as the motorized turbo brush, crevice tool, and sliding bristle nozzle, are designed to be standard but work well for their intended uses. The wall holder is a great feature, enabling you to organize the vacuum cleaner and all its accessories neatly in one location. When tested, the vacuum cleaner operated for 16 minutes and 27 seconds at maximum power with the main floor nozzle attached. This duration exceeds the average runtime of 10 to 12 minutes for comparable models. The suction power of the Redkey P9 was effective across various modes. In Eco mode, it effectively cleaned cracks as deep as 4 millimeters, while in Medium mode, it managed cracks up to 8 millimeters without difficulty. When used at maximum power, it was able to clean cracks as deep as 16 millimeters and provided partial cleaning for those of 18 millimeters. The suction power is satisfactory for its cost, but it may have difficulty with very deep crevices or large debris. The vacuum cleaner picked up various kinds of debris, such as hair, pet fur, cereal, and cat litter granules from hard floors. It struggled to collect bigger debris, such as cat litter, without some manual help. Due to the design of the nozzle, it was difficult to remove large debris that had become lodged in corners. The Redkey P9 worked effectively on carpets due to the elastic bristle inserts in the turbo brush, which cleaned medium pile carpets thoroughly. In summary, the Redkey P9 boasts numerous advantages, such as its low cost, durability of battery and charge, efficient multi-tier filtration system, detachable dust container and battery, handy wall mount, LED illumination, functionality that requires only one hand to operate, and wide-ranging assortment of accessories. It is lightweight and comes with a warranty, making it a dependable option for those mindful of their budget. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, I look forward to them in the comments below. Have a nice day, and God bless you.